How to fix Snapchat story views not showing up. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this video, I'll let you guys know the ways to fix Snapchat story views not showing up. So if your Snapchat story views aren't showing up, then it might be from several different reasons. So first of all, you could check your privacy settings. Sometimes you might have actually made it to only me. So you could go ahead and open up your settings and then you could see your privacy settings. So you could go ahead and here you want to look for privacy. So you could see view my story. You could see this view my story, and here you could see custom. Everybody else will be able to see it, but except for this particular contact. So you could just go ahead and click on friends only, or you could go ahead and then make changes with that as well. Apart from it, you could also try restarting your Snapchat application, and this should be able to fix the issue, or else try updating it. So you could go to the Play Store, check whether the app needs to be updated or not. Sometimes this might be another issue or a reason for you to face such issue. So go to Snapchat and check whether it's need to be updated or not. So these are some of the ways. So likewise, you could also try clearing your cache as well as data. So go to the app info section, go to storage and click on cleared cache, and after which you want to go ahead and restart your device. This should be able to fix the issue all at once. So these are some of the ways to fix Snapchat story view not showing up, whereas it might also be a technical glitches. So you could just wait patiently and it should be able to fix within an hour. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.